I've been waiting for 30 minutes just sitting on the...
Okay.
Thank you, baby. I'm so late. I've been waiting for you for over an hour.
Waiting 3 hours. What? No, what?
Why are you showing up so late, babe? We were supposed to be there 30 minutes ago. Dang. Always late.
Supposed to be there an hour ago. You always make us late, and you know what? It don't even matter. Time is just a construct. And I feel like society, because, you know, people can... Oh, next time.
Why every time Bubbers, I literally don't know how many times I have to tell you. Supposed to be here an hour ago. You know that I don't like to wait. But waiting is okay sometimes.
Babe, I've literally been waiting for you for an hour, man.
Mm-hmm.